So are you also still adding these Sulekha lead details into your Google Sheets manually? Then it's time for a change. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add Sulekha leads to Google Sheets. So like you, I also use Sulekha to get more leads for my own business, and now what I want that whenever we receive a new lead from Sulekha, I am going to automatically add the lead details into my Google Sheets for my sales team. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between Sulekha and Google Sheets. And we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software, which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. So now let's see how we're going to create a connection between Sulekha and Google Sheets. So to do this, I have opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So if you're an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open this workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger, and now for the trigger application we are going to search for Sulekha. So let's search for Sulekha and select it. For the event we have to select new leads and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your Sulekha account. And in order to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from Sulekha and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account, because Sulekha doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out the point of contact you have in Sulekha and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically you will start receiving the lead details in webhook response here. So yes, I have already added this webhook URL in my Sulekha account. So let's capture this lead details. And now whenever we're going to capture this response, automatically the workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so you're going to see that we have successfully captured the response. You're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, email, company name, and the city of the lead. Now we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets. So to do this, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, we have to select add new row and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Sulekha and Pabbly Connect, you have two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you've already created this connection, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. And once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to connect our Google Sheets. Now Pabbly is asking me for some permissions, so let's click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now we have to add the details in our Google Sheet, so we have to select the sheet and the spreadsheet in which we want to add the details. And after selecting this one by one, we have to enter the details, but we are not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map all of these details from the response of my previous step and click on this save and send test request. And now you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details. So let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details have been added. Be it the first name, last name, email address, phone number, company name or city name, all the details have been added right over here. And now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Sulekha, within seconds and in real time, the details will be added right over here in my Google Sheets. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow link of my workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.